Main account categories can be used to better classify a general ledger account. You can use main account categories primarily for grouping or selection of ledger accounts for cubes and key performance indicators, which are sometimes referred to as KPIs. It is also recommended that you link the main accounts to main account categories when you use Management Reporter. When you link main accounts to main account categories, you can use the default reports that are included with Management Reporter without any modifications. This can make it faster and easier to design and maintain reports. This feature is only available if you have Cumulative Update 6 or later for Management Reporter installed. By default, over 50 ledger account categories are provided. Let's switch over to AX and I'll show you how to create and maintain account categories. Main account categories can be created from the General Ledger module underneath the Setup area, Chart of Accounts, and then Main Account Categories. When you open the Main Account Categories form, you'll see the full list of all main accounts that are provided out of the box. If required, you can use the New button to create a new main account and then type a unique main account category name and description. It's important to remember that if you create a new main account category, you'll need to update the KPIs and other calculated measures in your cubes so that the relevant calculations will use and consider the new main account categories or modified main account categories. To link a main account to your main account categories, there are two different techniques. You can use the Link Main Accounts button, which is found in the Main Account Categories form, and then mark the checkbox next to each account that you want to be included. Here you can see that all of the bank accounts and cash accounts in my chart of accounts are included already. If you wanted to include an additional account, you can mark the checkbox next to each account that you want to include and then click OK. If the main accounts that you've selected already belong to a main account category, you'll be prompted to update and overwrite those values. I'm going to click OK. The other way to update a main account category is directly from the Main Accounts form. Let's go there now. You can access this from the General Ledger underneath Common and then Main Accounts. If you click Edit in the Maintain group of the Action pane, you can see the Main Account category on the right-hand side of the form. It's important to note that you can only select the Main Account category if you're in the Shared view. So, if you're looking at the Company view, make sure you switch this back to the Chart of Accounts view, and then select the Main Account category that you want to use for that particular account. Now that we have created main account categories, we can begin to create main accounts. Be sure to join me in the next lesson where we'll dive into that topic in more detail.